no clothes, no bag, not even all this money cake. Were you not there for Laide's birthday last 2 weeks? Did you see what her boyfriend did for her? And you brought just cake, only cake for me to eat. You see why I can't even take you serious? I can't even take you serious. I didn't get him any gifts.
You should be ashamed of yourself. If not for the fact that I don't beat women, I'd cry for you. Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Ben Cash, and today I'm out here with my boss, Zubi, and as you know, with the truth and nothing but the truth. So as you can see, today is a beautiful day. Today is a sweet day for my charmer life.
Yeah.
So who they do birthday today?
My babe.
Him girlfriend. No, yeah. So he come put me on call. Say, Baba, I want to make you follow me. Go surprise my girlfriend. Wow, this is going to be nice. So how you want to make it be?
You know what, Ben Cash, my man. See, last week was my birthday.
Last week na your own birthday?
Yeah, sure.
Wow. And today na your girlfriend own?
Yes. No, do you know what they do? Do you know the funniest part? Like my baby don't even post me, her man. You don't even like post me. Later in the night, later 9 p.m. She come they post, they call me baby, a happy birthday. Can you imagine that?
Wait, she no post you on your own birthday?
She no post.
But she send you message?
No, later in the night, around 9 p.m. in the night too, no be morning.
She call you?
She don't call me.
Okay, she tell you what she dey do, make her no post you, no call you, no text you?
No reason, nothing.
Okay, she come post you for night?
For night, around 9 p.m.
So I know say that one they make you the verse.
Like this goes at the verse. Anger the verse like this.
I know say you the verse. Calm down. But a woman, you tell them say you the verse.
She know now.
So what did she tell you? Say make her no post you.
I call and come to ask am, babe, what's up now? You didn't post me on my birthday, nothing.
She didn't call you.
She didn't call me. She didn't post me. She come to tell me say, babe, sorry to post you later in the night. Can you imagine that? We go that one say, is this the excuse or what?
And okay, let me tell you guys. I feel like if you're in a relationship with somebody and if you love somebody genuinely, like most of us, they claim that we love our partners. Yeah, your partner should be your priority. So why your partner would they do birthday? It's supposed your partner birthday is supposed to be your birthday. Your birthday is supposed to be your partner birthday. In birthday, in the morning, afternoon, evening, you they send a message for night. You no call them, you no post them. It's bad. I don't want them my guy say I know if you say the babe now, but it is what it is. Boss, me will go a place, right? You want to go deliver a cake?
Yeah, sure.
But you now na the man. Hope you don't post her.
Early morning, like 12 a.m. I wake up, post her, light all the sweet words for her to feel happy.
So when she said, what did she talk?
She said, thank you, babe. Thank you.
You don't call her. You don't call her.
Sure.
And now you want to deliver.
Yes. Let me go and give her.
Alright, guys, stay tuned. And sorry, he called me. We actually got this cake from Tito Cakes, the best cake plug in the whole of Nigeria. I cap you not.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put their numbers on the screen. So call them. Tell them from Ben Cash. They will give you discounts. Okay. So, boss, now we'll go meet your partner. Right?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go there. Yeah. Becca, just because I might call my baby. My baby may call my son.
Alright. Put on the speaker. Okay. Come close.
Hello?
Yeah, babe, what's up?
I'm fine, babe.
So, what's up now? Where are you?
I'm at home. I'm just with my friends inside.
Oh, okay. You know what? Just come and just come outside, okay? I want to give you something, right?
Like right now?
Yeah, no, yes, now.
Okay, I'm coming.
Yeah. I'm waiting, okay?
Okay, baby.
Love you.
Love you too.
EJ love.
So, yeah. Cash. So, we are here now. Let's go and give my babe something. Then, later in the day, we can take her out.
I no go follow na go that out, you know.
You dey go.
No, I no fit follow na
You
go.
be
I get many things to do.
like
I just follow you, can't do this one, boss.
You be my man.
I know, but I get what I go do later.
Na me, na your G for life. Yeah?
Until then, later.
No, not later. This evening, like this evening.
I might reach house first.
Oh, I don't want to say. Wow. So, Bekash, she's out already.
Okay, she don't come out.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah. Let me go.
I hold this phone like this.
Alright.
Hey.
Wow, my baby boo, my sexy baby, my sugar mama, my sugar in my tea. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wow, you're looking sexy this evening.
Thank you.
My baby boo, my boo boo boo, my baby.
Hey,
Have fun now.
I'm fine, babe.
So, I said, let me give you this. I wish you happy birthday once again. Yeah.
Babe,
Yeah?
is it just cake? I thought you came with other things, or did you bring any other thing?
Other things like what and what?
Babe, you brought just cake. Only cake. I don't understand.
Okay, babe, see, calm down, okay? Calm down. I just brought this cake for you. Just hold it, then later in the evening we can hang out, flex.
Wait. Later in the evening? You mean later? I was even expecting to even see or even hear Parara. No shoes, no clothes, no bag, not even all this money cake. Were you not there for Laide's birthday last 2 weeks? Did you see what her boyfriend did for her? And you brought just cake, only cake for me to eat. Am I a baby? You just bought only cake for me to eat. Hey. You see why I can't even take you serious? I can't even take you serious.
Alpha. Hello, good afternoon. Hello. Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon.
Happy birthday. Boss, calm down. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
What's going on?
I was inside with my friend, so he just called me out.
Sorry, calm down. Who is it to you?
He's my boyfriend.
Okay, he just called you out.
That he had something for me for my birthday.
Okay, and he brought it.
He brought just cake. Look at it now. Only cake.
Odogo, wait. Odogo, calm down. Odogo, calm down.
No, don't tell me to count. See, do you know? No, don't tell me to count. Don't tell me to count down. Do you see? You know how much I buy this cake?
Forget the money.
No,
okay.
no.
Wait. I want to calm down.
Do you know this?
There is something calm. Baba, calm down. I know. Say it's not even about the money for the cake right now. Your effort, say you even think about her. Say you get her for mind. Go buy her cake. Tell me, say how far make I follow you. Come celebrate your babe. And she did do this kind of thing.
Okay, just imagine.
I'm sorry. What's your name?
Joanne.
Okay, I want to ask you a question. You were expecting what?
I was expecting surprises, like normal birthday surprises a guy does for his babe.
Okay, is this supposed to just be for the guy to the woman or for the both parties?
For both parties, of course.
Okay, and he said his birthday was when?
Last week.
Last week. How did you celebrate his birthday?
I wished him now. I called him that day. I wished him happy birthday.
What time did you wish him?
Although it was at night, but I wished him. I still wished him that day.
What did you buy for him? What gift did you give him? I'm talking to you. Odogu, calm down. What gift did you give to him?
I didn't get him any gifts.
You should be ashamed of yourself. If not for the fact that I don't beat women, I could not deal with you for your nonsense human being. say nonsense.
See you.
Sorry, I know say that your girlfriend, but now very nonsense thing she do. No rubbish. Come on, get her from there. He should be ashamed of himself. What about you? Odogume, would they go? Kind of rubbish. Odogume, they go.
See, if not for one thing.
What kind of nonsense with that one? Can you imagine?
Now see, do you see that? I don't like this thing at all. I don't like this.
That's how this one they behave.
Now, I bet can me come off. Do you imagine because the people go say when you won't go marry, they do this nonsense. No, just you.
Can you imagine? No, I just ask, okay, what did you give to the man? Nothing.
No reply, no good.
No, she don't get good word from mouth safe.
Then where she go on your birthday?
You never even ask her say where she.
You don't ask her where she go.
I beg. And the thing say these people they shit on me. Like seriously.
You see him?
I'm telling you. She don't shit on me.
She said she don't take you serious, so you know you're.
He say now why he no take him serious.
Can you imagine?
So person they wish